Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to turn your Figma design into a live Shopify store? In this video, I will show you how to connect your Figma layout to a Shopify theme. No coding experience needed. First of all, finalize your design in Figma. Use clear layouts for desktop and mobile. Make sure text, buttons, and images are grouped and labeled properly. This helps during export and coding. So go to figma.com. Now choose your design. Next, export your images, logos, icons, and illustrations. Select each assets, right click and choose export as PNG or SVG. Click share. You can share with link via WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. So now go back to your dashboard, select another project, now select the design from here and export them, or copy the embed code. Now log into your Shopify admin dashboard, go to online store, then themes. You can choose an existing free theme or upload a custom one if you plan to match your Figma design more closely. Click customize to open Shopify themes editor. Match your Figma design by customizing fonts, colors, and layouts. Upload your image and use section blocks like text, image with overlay, or button to reflect your Figma components. Now go back to your section, then choose custom liquid, then add the code, and here it is. If you are a developer or working with one, you can edit theme code under actions, then edit code. Use the Figma layout as a reference to build custom sections with HTML, liquid, or CSS. Preview your site on both desktop and mobile. Check that spacing, fonts, and image placement match your original Figma file, make any needed adjustments using the theme editor. That's how you turn a Figma design into a Shopify store layout. It's all about organizing your assets and using Shopify's editor effectively. If you want a tutorial on converting full designs with code, comment below and subscribe for more web design tips. Thanks for watching.